What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply a Christmas promotion pop-up banner into your WordPress website for free, without coding, without paying absolutely anything. But before I can continue, all I ask you is hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, nor choose internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. And the very first step is to have a banner to create. Okay, so I have gone to Canva. Okay, you can do this into the free account, have no need to pay. Okay, and into the search field you're gonna search for Christmas promotion banner, just like this. You're gonna see all of those banners. There is pro ones and there is free ones. This one that I'm gonna be using, it's a free one. We can click on customize this template. We're gonna open the customizer. We can change the text right here. Okay, we can change the numbers, we can change the letters, we can change the colors, we can apply some elements in the case that I want. Okay, and you can create the size that you want into this magic stat. Okay, so I'm gonna create with 800 and 400. I'm gonna resize and then I'm gonna download this. Okay, so after downloading I'm gonna have my banner. Now let's learn how to apply this into our WordPress website. Okay, now move to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over plugins. Okay, and click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to keyword, we're gonna search for pop-up builder. Okay, and I will not be installing the pop-up builder by OptiMonster because they only works if you pay. Okay, I like to do things for free. Once I assume that most of the ones that are learning WordPress are just starting and without much money to invest, so I'm gonna use the pop-up builder, this guy right here. Okay, so click on install now. This works for free, so click on install now. After this, we're gonna click into the activate button, this blue button right here. You're gonna be redirected to the plugins list, a list on your WordPress website where we can see all of the present plugins on your site. Nothing much to do right here, just review once again the left sidebar of menus. Okay, and next to media we're gonna be able to find the pop-up builder. You're gonna hover your mouse over it and click on add new. Okay, and right here we have a couple of options to generate a pop-up. It can be a Facebook, subscription, more ideas, image, and HTML. I'm gonna create an image because we have downloaded a banner, so click into this plus button. First of all, I'm gonna need to enter the banner title. It's only internal, so no need to worry. Now we have the main options. First, image settings. Please choose your picture. Click into this cloud icon. Now click into the upload file so I can upload the image. Here is the banner that I just have created. Here is our banner. I always recommend that you type an alternative text into your images. Okay, I will not do this into this video because I would like to save your time, but on yours please type the alt text. Okay, after this click into this bottom right corner button, call it choose image, and here is our image to be our banner. Okay, now let me publish so we can review. Now let me go to the website homepage. So here is my banner, but the banner have no actions, it's not leading to any page, so I would like to customize more about this banner. So let's continue the settings. Display rules. Where would you like to display this banner? Can be everywhere, only on posts, only on pages, only on tags, into a specific page. For example, only display the banner into your home page, for example. Okay, it's possible right here. We can apply some events, for example, on load, site by CSS class, on click, on hover, on click. Custom class, we can apply a class. Okay, so up to you. I will not apply event right here. So the conditions, it's only if you're using the pro version, so we're gonna jump the step. You can apply events, behavior after special events. For example, imagine that even after submitting a contact form, for example, to receive emails, you're gonna display a banner with a pop-up code or a promotion. So it's a possibility, and you can use your creativity to create more possibilities right here. The design options, we have a couple of design options for our banner. I think I like this one right here. We have some themes. We can customize the overlay. We can change the color, the opacity. Now we can customize the closing. Imagine that we would like to display a closing button on our banner. We have options right here to fully customize the size, the position, the overlay, and even upload a closing button icon or image. We have dimensions. Right here we can use a space of your screen, or for example set as autumn, or even custom made in order to set max widget, max height, max mini widget, and mini height. Okay, after we're gonna move to advanced, where is my favorite option, because right here I have the first option, action on pop-ups certain click on, and I would like to redirect to a custom URL. So if I click into the banner, I would like to go to my shop page, for example. So let me redirect this to my shop page. I'm gonna copy the URL and enter right here. We can redirect to a new tab or not, it's up to you. We have other options, okay? Pop-up showing limitations, pop-up opening sound, opening animation. We can apply some animation in the case that I want, for example, pop-up closing animation, pop-up location, in the case that I want to specify the location of the pop-up, okay? Imagine that this is your screen, okay? We have disable page scrolling, in the case that I want or not, or enable content scrolling, okay? After this, we have the scheduling options, if you are a pro member. The floating button, it's a quite nice option according to our site design and overall layout. I would like to recommend that you explore this. We have some statistics in the case that I would like to disable the pop-up counting or not, okay? It's up to you. And we have an options to apply custom JS or CSS codes. After change made, let me click into the update button into the top of the panel. So settings saved. Now let's review our website, and here is the banner, and if I click on it, I'm gonna be redirected to my shop page. Simple, easy and effective, and you can create this. You can remove the banner from your shop page. It's up to you. You can redirect this banner to your landing page, to your promotions page, okay? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your WordPress website for free, okay? Our Anzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. It's an amazing feature to create amazing layouts. Our Growth with TWS.net, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts and connecting with a growing blogging community. And as a final note, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass. You're gonna unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites for every single business style that you can import with a single click. So imagine that you need to create a site for a client of yours and would like to start with a ready page, only having the needs to change the text and some images, and have a ready website in almost some minutes. It's possible with Visual Modo Pass. In addition to your premium blocks, themes, templates, layouts, icons, assets, plugins, and support. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!